Welcome to the Divine Healing Experience. The Divine Healing Experience is a self-healing retreat where healers come to be renewed, to tap back into their true, authentic selves, and to discover their purpose on this planet. In fact, we are all healers, choosing to heal ourselves through the trauma, the triggers, and the pain. There's a new generation of healers in the world, and their medicine isn't modern. The medicine is authentic, it's pure, it's real, it's freedom, it lacks judgment, it creates safe spaces and honors you wherever you are on your journey. This new generation of healers is on a path of discovery and self-fulfillment. First, we heal, but then we play. We were renewed in the sacred waters of the cenotes, and we found life in places people never even dared to venture. We found freedom above the trees and abundance amongst the leaves. We return to nature to return to ourselves. She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it clap. This new generation of healers is lit. Their energy is on fire, and their light shines so bright. This new generation of healers are truly leading the way. She make it clap. I'm tryna grab it and then hit from the back. Tell her drop it down, cause I like that. After I hit, then I be right back. I'm walking the club and whip out the rack. I'm blowing on gas, she doing it. And if you've ever been to a divine healing experience before, you know that we laugh, we cry, we release, and we're gonna throw that ass in a healing circle. This is the Divine Healing Experience. Mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali. Virgo, Ferrari, hop up the stoop, jump in the coupe. Big dip on top of the roof, flexing on bitches as hard as I can. Eating halal, driving a lamb. So that bitch, I'm sorry though. Got my coins like Mario. Yeah, they call me Cardi B. I run this shit like cardio.
You know, playing in the cenotes, ziplining with each other, walking through the jungle. Those kind of interactions is what really brings me life.
Healing in the jungle was probably my favorite healing activity. That experience for me called me to put myself in an uncomfortable space, and I was scared, but I understand in order to heal, you've got to do some scary shit.
You know, in my business, in my life, in my relationships, I wanted to connect with like-minded people and develop some new friendships and connections. And it was amazing what I got out of it. So I'm glad that I came.
I'm really new on my journey, so just seeing where everybody's at just inspires me to reach a higher level.
I thank you again for doing this. It was the best experience.
A beautiful experience.
And so it was so beautiful to be amongst an amazing group of others who could mirror back to me parts of myself that I don't normally get to see.
I got some work to do. I got some work to do.
Divine, you are absolutely amazing.
I thank you so much. I give you so much gratitude.
She was on the journey with us. She was going through things and she was telling us the things that she was going through too, and being very authentic, you know. So that's what I wanted to say. Thank you for being authentic. I'm eternally grateful for having met you.
I'll be at all the next ones.